welcome back to Dirt Cleaner Videos and Sphere Lapidary. I'm David Johnson, and we're going to do a really quick one today. This is not going to be in depth. I'm just got a little problem I got to fix. I'm working on a sphere. It's a beautiful piece of rose quartz, but it's got a piece that might break out on it yet as I continue rounding it. I'll show you. I've had this stone in the sphere machine, and it's been rounding out real nice, but I've got one spot right here. I'm going to get you a close-up of that. That could possibly chip out. You look around here and you can see the edges of it. It's cracked all the way through. I've got no doubt about that, but I don't want that to fly out. So I'm just going to try and use a little cyanoacrylate or super glue and put it together. This looks pretty round, but I've got one spot on here somewhere. I'll show you. There it is. I got a flat spot right here. So I've got to keep bringing this down until all this black marker is gone. There's some other old fractures in here. That's just the way this material is. But it's held together really well. But I do have this spot that's made to chip out, so we're going to glue it today. So where this stone has been, it has been through the saw, many cuts with mineral oil. So there is undoubtedly some mineral oil tucked in there. But I've been wailing away on this in the sphere machine, which uses water. So I'm hoping that has done some cleansing. It sat here for days. It's a little cool right now. I wish it was warmer. The shop gets down to 40 degrees when I'm not here, and it's been winter and snowy and awful, so I just haven't been in here. Anyway, let's get to it. Push. Did not work. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's all I have to do for that. Hopefully it soaks in a little bit. What? I got a piece of petrified wood. I could use the same treatment, so we're gonna try that. I got a piece of petrified wood. It's rounded up pretty good, but it does have some cracks all over the place. This really isn't gonna fill in the cracks and make them shiny smooth, but there were a couple I saw that I really didn't like the way they were. I was afraid they could bust out. That's all good for now. We're gonna let that dry and well, we'll see how it turns out. Well, I dropped some more glue in there. I put the thick stuff on. I just got to tighten up my bungees here. There we go. Should only take a minute. Just got to grind the tops off of the glue. Okay, well that knocked the glue off. That's what I was after. Okay, we're at the polishing machine. Basically it's just another sphere machine. I've recently made some bigger cups. These are 3-inch size cups. And I know I'm going to have to make some bigger ones because I'm making some bigger spheres. But yeah, I'll show you how I did that on another video. So let's get this one in there. It's about as level as I can get them. When I make some new ones, I'm going to actually cut back on the length of this because it just is the whole system from here to here is just too long. So I think I can shorten that up next time. I might even adjust these, we'll see. So there it is. There's my new polishing machine. I've got 100 grit little polishing pads in there, just like that. They're Velcroed on, so all I'm going to do is change pads now. I'm not going to be changing the whole stinking thing. Let's see if she stays in there. Oh, there we go. I only have 100 grit pads ready for this. I don't have the other one. So this is as far as we're going to take this for this video. I'll probably let this go about 10 minutes. I'll show you the, not quite the finished product, but the 100 grit product when I'm done after about 10 minutes of this. can really hear the polishing action on this 100 grit. You can just listen and you can hear it's really working, so it's set up pretty nice. I'd let that go about 13 minutes. Let's get it out of here and take a quick look at it. So it's not quite dry yet, but the glue filled in the cracks real good. Somehow I got some dirt in there, so it doesn't look real nice. But it feels smooth, so it's much better than it was before. So I can either finish polishing this one up when I make my new pads, or I could literally just keep grinding it down, go back to the high-speed sphere machine by Highland Park, and just make this thing smaller. I'd rather kind of keep it the way it is. I don't care. It displays real nice, just like that. So there you are. So as everybody says, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe to the channel. I don't throw tons and tons of stuff out. Sometimes there's some oddball things you might see. Just bypass it. Don't worry about it. I'm not too concerned. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope this is something you may be able to use. I guess my one takeaway from this is if I do this again, I'm going to get it where I can see what I'm doing better and get my grubby fingers off of it, and hopefully it'll turn out a lot better. It didn't turn out too bad, but I think we can do a better job. Alright, that's it for Dirt Cleaner videos. We're out. Alright, we're going to give you one last little look at this stone. I ran it on the 100 grit polishing pads for maybe 30 minutes. Then I changed out to 200 grit for, I think it was about 15 minutes. And you can still see the little fix there. But it looks a lot better than it did when I took it off the high-speed sphere machine. So I'd say that's a success. There it is, a little piece of Rose Quartz Sphere.